Hello everyone, myself Rishabh Srivastav and I am here to teach you about cell. Okay, let's start. Cell in Latin word, cell comes from Latin word which means a little compartment. Okay, got it? There is an interesting story behind it. Ki what is the little compartment in it? Okay, then let me allow to describe in detail. Cell is discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. First of all, cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. He discovered the cell from, you may say, the cork, the slice of cork. Okay, as you know, cork is a part of the bark. Okay, cork is the part of the bark, and most important thing, when he examined the bark or cork under his primitive microscope, he found little compartments like of honeybee. Then after that he concluded, he demonstrated the word cell. He discussed the word cell, that cell means a little compartment. From there its name cell originates. That cell in Latin word means that little compartment. Got it? Most interesting fact is that first of all, cell was discovered by Robert Hooke, but it was the dead cell. Okay. What's about the living cell? The first living cell was discovered by Antony van Leeuwenhoek in 1674. He discovered the living cell in pond water. Got it? Now we are going to discuss about the definition of cell. Cell is defined as, okay, the cell is defined as the basic structural and functional unit of life. Okay, now let me allow to describe or to discuss it on board. Okay, come on, let's start. As you see, cell is the basic structural and functional unit. Here you may notice two words. That is, first one is structural and second one is functional. Now let me allow, I am going to discuss it about the cell. What is structural? Okay. Now when we are talking about a structural, actually the cell, okay, as you know, the cell is the most important. Cell is most important in field of biology, or you may say in life. Every living organism, each and every living organism is composed of cells. Okay, and the body structure, whatever will be, whether they may be unicellular or they may be multicellular. Okay, they may be uni or multicellular, they must be composed of cells. That's why cell is considered as a structural unit. Now let us discuss one more interesting fact. One more interesting fact is that if suppose this building or any building, you may conclude, sorry, I want to change marker. If let us suppose about this building or any building, if we are going to discuss about any building or the construction of any building, we may say that first of all, as we discuss about the structural unit of any building, of any construction, we may see the most basic thing is the bricks. Then after we conclude and we arrange the bricks and cemented there, then we found the walls, and all the walls including 4 or 5 walls including ceiling composed of rooms. Most important, after rooms it will become the house. Then this is the criteria, or you may say this is the structural criteria of any building. If we conclude same, if we are just going to see the structural behavior of our body, then we may say first of all the most important basic thing is that cell. While we are going to see the structural unit of our lives or organism, all the organism must be composed of first of all cell, then after tissues, then organs, organ system and organism. Here is the organism, here is an organism. But you may see, you conclude that the most basic structure is the cell. That's why we can say cell is the basic structure. And why it is functional? Because cell performs all the basic life processes like respiration, like reproduction, like nutrition, excretion, its circulation, etc., etc. That's why cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. That's all. Thank you so much.